Welcome to Leenfx. This is the truth of war, not in strategy, but in suffering. Look at the children. They are the cost of conflict. This is their plea. Let's talk about this. In the ruins of what was once a home, a playground, a place of safety, a new generation is being raised. This is the landscape of war, stripped bare of color, hope, and childhood. We often speak of the casualties of war, the fallen soldiers, the destroyed cities. But we rarely speak of the unseen casualties, the young, innocent souls caught in the crossfire of adult conflict. Where there should be laughter, there is only the sound of sirens. Where there should be storybooks, there are only headlines of terror. A childhood is a sacred time, meant for growth, learning, and dreaming. But for these children, war has stolen their most fundamental right, the right to innocence. They witness horrors that no adult should ever have to see, let alone a child whose world should be filled with gentle things. Every day, they face fear. Fear of the night, fear of the next blast, fear of separation. These experiences leave deep, invisible wounds. Wounds that medicine cannot heal, wounds that can last a lifetime. Yet, even in the darkest corners of conflict, there is an extraordinary resilience. Like a tiny flower pushing through cracked concrete, the human spirit endures. Isn't just a victim, they are a messenger. Their small gesture, a flower, a sign of peace, is the ultimate protest against violence. It is a powerful reminder to all of us who stand idle. Their message is simple, universally understood, and desperately urgent. Stop war. Stop the destruction of their world. Stop the shattering of their future. Stop this endless cycle of pain. The responsibility to end this suffering rests not on the shoulders of these children, but on ours. The peace we seek for the world must begin with the protection of the innocent. We must not allow the cries of children to become the background noise of our geopolitics. We must remember their faces when we make decisions about conflict and cooperation. more than just a picture. Let it be a global mandate. For the sake of every child, for the future of humanity, we must choose peace. The future of our world is measured not by the wars we fight, but by the peace we secure for our children. Their faces, their stories, and their plea for an end to the violence must echo in the halls of power and in the conscience of every human being. Let their childhoods be rebuilt, not buried. Never forget the unseen scars. So please, stop war. Don't forget to share this for those who need to see it. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you like my overall content, feel very free to subscribe. Stay safe. I will see you in my next video.